This is a dumbbell preacher curl, a great exercise to target the biceps in a shortened position. For a preacher curl, I like using dumbbells versus an easy bar or a barbell. It's a lot easier on those wrists and it helps me maintain those shoulders back. If you don't have a preacher curl bench, a machine would work fine, as well as doing a single arm bicep curl with an incline bench. Let's get started with the setup. First, adjust that seat in a spot to whenever you are sitting on the bench. Those elbows are about halfway down that padding where those arms go, and there is some space between that armpit and that padding. If that armpit is too much tucked in into that bench, it's going to be really hard to not let those shoulders roll forward as you are going down. Also, make sure that that arm is matching the same angle as that bench right there. On the way down, make sure you're at least taking it for a 3 to 4 second eccentric, and then notice that I'm getting a full range of motion, almost going to the point where those arms are completely straight at the very bottom. Here comes the biggest part when performing this exercise is not letting those shoulders roll forward, which is the most common mistake I see on this exercise. And by shoulders rolling forward, I mean this right here. As you can see when I'm coming down, I'm allowing those shoulders to roll forward and come up. This is what we want to avoid. So here's how you can avoid this. On that way down, imagine like you're pushing those elbows down into the padding and also pushing that chest forward like you're trying to give your buddy a chest bump. Same thing goes on the way up. Keep pushing those elbows down, chest forward to avoid those shoulders from rolling up. To help ensure good form on both that way up and down, keep an eye on that shoulder to make sure there's not a lot of movement and it's not rolling forward. Towards those last few reps of the set, it's alright if you do get some shoulder movement, but you want to make sure that you are getting the majority of the reps with good form. Let's grow those arms. Leave any comments or questions down below. When you know what to do, like and subscribe, please.